Hello, and welcome to Chris LeDoux guitar lesson for You Just Can't See Him from the Road. I got a capo on the 2nd fret. That's the way I saw Chris play it live, and the only video I've seen him play it live. I have 3 basic chords for the verse: a C, an F, and a G. I don't ever move my index finger off of that 1st fret, 2nd string. It gives it that kind of Chris twang to this song. The key is to hammer on to that middle string on every fret that you play, on every chord. So if you're going to play a C, you go back to it. You go to the F, and then the G. Put it together, and you'll get the And that's the way the chorus and the verse alternates between the C, F, and G. Don't see him much on a big screen anymore. Kids don't write a G with Roy or C. And that's your verse. We walk down to the chorus, and that would just be a 5th string, 3rd, 2nd, and you land on the A minor. He's still out there riding fences, riff, makes his living with his road. And that is actually the entire song, minus the solo. Coming out of the chorus, long as there's a sunset, C, F for the brand, and C, can't see him from the road. So when you come out of the chorus at the see him out there riding fences, makes his living with his road. As long, see, there's a sunset, he'll keep F. See, you just can't see him. F to the G road. He's still out there riding fences, makes his living with his road. As long as there's a sunset, he'll keep F for the brand. See, you just can't G him from the road. Back to a C. And then you start over with the verse. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the link below. I will give you everything I can. I will describe the chords. This I learned off of ear and watching him play from the side off of a capo. If you would like anything to add or embellish it, feel free. But this is the bare bones basics I could find to this classic Chris LeDoux song. I hope you learn it, I hope you play it, and I hope you play it better than me. Enjoy. Thank you for watching, and God bless.